One of the easiest and simplest AWS service to use is AWS SES or AWS Simple Email Service. AWS Simple Email Service is not only very resilient and but you also hardly face any issues. But sometimes you do. Amazon SES users may receive a notification from AWS support stating that their Amazon SES account is being reviewed. This indicates that your Amazon SES account is being used to send problematic email to end recipients or that the account has been paused if you haven't reached proactively upon controlling the faulty sender within the review time frame. It basically means you cannot send emails from SES account because your spam or complaint rate has exceeded a certain threshold. These types of situations occur because Amazon SES sanitization process is implemented at the AWS account level by default. In this situation, you have two options. First, to raise a support case with AWS and ask them to increase your thresholds. And secondly, you can implement multi-tenancy for your SES. As you can see on your screen, in this architecture, various tenants are connecting to Amazon SES in different AWS accounts to implement this sort of multi-tenancy. Email event responses can be taken back to a central data lake located in the same AWS region or in different region. Furthermore, as you can see in this diagram, all AWS accounts mapped to a different tenant are under a parent AWS account. This hierarchical structure is known as AWS organization. It is recommended to use AWS org or AWS organizations, which enables you to consolidate multiple AWS accounts into an organization that you create and centrally manage. It helps in security and compliance guidelines, managing consolidated billing for all the child accounts. So, in summary, appropriate multi-tenancy implementation within Amazon SES not only helps you manage end customer reputation, but also aids in tracking usage of each user independently from one another. So, in this video, you can see in this architecture how Amazon SES users can utilize SES to manage large number of end customers, and also this sort of design principle will help you in implementing a robust solution. I hope that this was useful. Thanks for listening.